Hello everyone. Now question 11. Question number 11 is related to upstream and downstream concept, and this question is now come to the question is a steamer goes downstream in a river, covers the distance between two towns in 15 hours, and coming back upstream it covers the same distance in 20 hours. The speed of the water is given 3 km per hour and we have to find out the distance between two towns. So, what is given here? First thing is speed of water. So, this is given speed of water is 3 km per hour. And here the speed of the steamer is not given. Steamer means boat. So we will assume it. So let speed of boat or steamer equal x kilometer per hour. Now we will take this question in two parts. One is downstream and another one is upstream. So here we will take downstream, and the second case we will take it as upstream. So these two cases we will take it. So upstream and downstream. Okay. Now for the in downstream, it covers the distance between two towns in 15 hours. So for downstream, the time is given 15 hours. And for upstream, the time is given as 20 hours. This is given. And now we have to find out the speed of the steamer. This speed of the steamer is in still water. Still water. Now we will write the speed of steamer. What it should be? In downstream, the speed will get added up. So the speed of the steamer will be x plus 3. So it will become x plus 3 kilometer per hour. And in case of upstream, the speed of steamer will be, you have to subtract it. So steamer speed minus water speed. So x minus 3 kilometer per hour. We know that speed equal distance by time or distance equal speed multiply time. So this formula we know it very well. So same concept we will use it here. So distance covered by boat, covered by steamer or boat is equals to, as in the formula, speed multiply time. So speed is x plus 3 multiply time. Time for downstream is 15. So this is in kilometer. Similarly, we will find out the distance covered by steamer in upstream. Covered by steamer in upstream. So speed multiply time. Speed multiply time. Now, the concept, if we will go, or if the steamer goes from one corner to the another corner of the river, whether it is upstream or downstream, the distance will remain same. So the distance covered by steamer in case of downstream or upstream will remain same. So according to the question, these two distance covered by the steamer should be equal, this distance and this distance, as the distance between the river will always be same whether you will go upstream or downstream. Now solve it. 20x minus 60, shift the terms, like terms on the same side, so 20x minus 15x. Now in next step you will solve it further. It will come as 105 equal 5x. So x equal 105 upon 5, so it will come as 21. 21. Now the question is, what you have to find out? You have to find out the distance between two towns. So the distance between two towns, either you can take this distance between two towns, this distance, or you can take this distance also. With the both of them you will get same answer. So any distance you can take it. So therefore distance between two towns is equal to any one, you can take it. So x plus 3 multiply 15. Either you can take this also, with both of them you will get same answer. So it will come as 21 plus 3 multiply 15. So 24 multiply 15, and if you will multiply them, the answer which you will get it as 360 kilometer. So this is the answer or the distance between two towns. 360 kilometer is the distance between two towns. I hope that this question is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.